Everybody, it's Coach Kermani, and I've been tasked with the job of opening up the gym for today. Why does my hair look like I have such a receding hairline? Oh my goodness. Is it that my forehead is getting big? Anyway. This is where I work. Now, alright, I'm gonna turn on this light right here. Anna will not be in on Saturday. Can you take pre-team by yourself? Next Thursday, girls are in Florida. Libby can help you with bronze, but is needed for a beginner. Okay, who is Anna? Oh. Alright. So I have this list of things that I need to do. So basically, alright, I'm gonna have to turn on all the thermostats and stuff. Oh, here's one. Turn it up to 68. So turn on the thermostat to 68. Come on, man. Why is it at Wi-Fi setup? Okay. Alright. So that was that. There's one right over there. So as you can see, I have to turn on everything. So let's see how long it's gonna take me to turn on everything in the gym. Everything has to be on at 68. Oh, this one has a key. Okay, I can't open this. I don't have the key for this. Or is the key on top of it? Oh, the key's on top. Oh, Lord, have mercy. $68. Yeah, no, you can't really see because it's just like lock it back. All right. Moving on to the next thing. All right, I did that. Okay, here. Then go right across. These are equipment. $68. Oh, this one is at 65. 65. All right, guys. This one goes up to 66. 66. Alright. Down on this side. The ninja side, Ninja Warrior side. Oh, it's a turn knob one. Alright. So, okay, it should be at 68. $68 around here. 68. What is that? On. Auto. Okay. All right. Let me see now. We did that one. Okay, so back in the main lobby area. Oh, you guys want to see what ninja area looks like? Here is the ninja area. Ninja Warriors area. All right, anyway. All right, at the office. Where's this one? This one should be, it says 68. And then we're all good. All right, that's all good. So I did this. All right. Thank you guys for hanging out with me.